The GR Supra HyperBoost Edition is NASCAR analyst and broadcast personality Rutledge Wood's dream build. Rutledge Wood, a Supra fan, expressed his vision for the Supra to his builder, Rick Leos of Lucky Leo 70 Motorsports. They transformed his concept into reality as his aptly named project features a custom turbo kit that more than doubles the output to 750 plus horsepower. A 20-piece carbon fiber widebody kit gives this hyper-boosted machine more aggressive body lines with broad shoulders and a menacing stance.